Sally Mangali, where we eat and talk weight. I don't know what I'm doing. Just subscribe and let's conversate.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am having some fried chicken from Lisa's Chicken. I got some coleslaw. I'm not sure if you can see it really good. You see it? So, I'm a little nervous today. I went on Amazon and I got the 2 times spicy. Or no, I think this is the 1 time spicy, 2 times spicy, and then this was on the trio pack. So I went ahead and got it. You guys know I don't do chile. I don't do spicy. I am very nervous. My anxiety is like... So, let's just see what happens. I'm like super nervous. I'm super nervous. So... Today, oh, I got this gorgeous cup. See where it says Sally Mangali? And then I have a rooster on the other side. Isn't that so pretty? My niece made that for me. I totally appreciate it. We're going to add some bottled water in here. I'm super nervous because I'm going to... Oh, and then the straw, it's pink, but it turns purple when it's cold. I thought that was really cute. So, I'm just nervous. Like, I don't even know what to do, what to grab. So, both of my babies, I think, are going to try... Are y'all going to both try the spicy sauce?
Yeah, I'm trying.
Okay. Get my water. Alright guys, alright. It's like in a mason jar or something. I don't know, but it's super cute. I'm gonna try to... You know what I forgot? Did they give you a fork for me? For my coleslaw? Ooh, it's delicious. Delicious. Do you want my jalapeno?
Yeah.
The mama. Thank you, because I don't need that. I'm gonna try the leg first before I go unconscious. Sorry I was out a few days. I just needed some me time. I got a 3-piece dark with coleslaw, corn, the roll. I got the coleslaw because I thought something cold, you know. Have some of this chicken leg. When I was in the drive-thru buying the chicken, I was so nervous. Like I was already like, you know what I mean? Cause like I know it's hot. When do you see me eat spicy food?
I can't recall.
That's what I'm saying. I can't recall either. Huh? Okay. I'm gonna eat this chicken leg and I'm gonna try it. How much of the spicy sauce are you gonna put? A lot or a bit? You can jumping? You're not gonna put a lot?
Yeah.
Why not? You eat habanero.
Scared?
You scared to try it too?
No. I'm not super scared, but
Nervous?
like, what if it's too hot?
I'm gonna try to stay calm.
You got your Toms?
They're over there. I got a corn, but they just give you the corn plain. Like, they don't season it up or nothing, and I'm okay with that. Because I like plain stuff. Y'all know I don't have to have a lot of salt. Oh, that's hot. Ooh. Alright. Okay, which one are y'all going to try first?
I'll try it quick.
Let me take the lid off because this.
So Chloe made that?
No, Nina.
Oh,
She gave it. She went to my job today and she gave it to me.
that's nice.
Yeah, it was really nice. It was really nice of her.
Wait, does she watch your videos?
Mhm.
Hey, Nina. Nina,
Okay. Okay. This one says hot chicken flavor. Hot chicken flavor sauce. Okay, so this one's supposed to be for chicken. This is supposed to be the regular hot chicken flavor sauce. Well, they're both hot chicken flavor sauce. So what's the difference? This one's the extreme. Well, this one says it's the extreme, so I don't understand what the difference between these two are. This one says carbonara.
Which one are you trying? The extreme?
No?
Oh.
Which one do y'all want? Seems like everybody's been doing this one. I'm gonna try this one. Because it's pink, so maybe that means baby. You know, like, hey, you're a wuss. Eat this one. I'm nervous, guys. Okay, I can do this. I can do this. In the name of Jesus. It's gonna be fine. Which one are y'all trying? Or y'all gonna try what I'm trying? Look how red that is. Look at the redness.
What's that called?
Oh my god. Samyang?
No,
Samyang. Huh?
that one's the extreme, that one's that hot one.
I have no idea. These don't have, like, this one says extremely spicy. These two don't say anything different. Samyang, shake well. Bulldog, and then carbonara. Hot chicken flavor sauce. This one, this one she's throwing out fire out of her mouth. This one she's not.
Do that
So I feel like I'm gonna do this one.
Why?
Because
What
you
if-
don't wanna, what if I lose my life?
What if it's not hot?
What, this one? Okay, if it's not hot, then I'll jump to the next one. But I feel like it's gonna be hot. I'm just gonna throw that out there.
Why should it not even be hot?
Which one?
Both of them.
Sandy says it's hot.
Not Sandy.
Huh?
Sandy.
Sandy tried it. She said that they all tried it at the house and they're hot.
That's Sandy.
Okay, it says the shake well. I'm like so nervous, guys. Like, I'm sweating from the nervousness.
I think it's just hot.
Oh, maybe that too. The roosters are going. I don't know if you could hear it. My neighbor is bumping. He's bumping las rancheras. He's bumping it. Get it, dude. Get it. Okay, I shook this one really well. Hi. Y'all need napkins? Okay. Which one y'all trying?
The one you try.
Or do you want the extreme?
No.
Hmm?
Okay, Junior, go.
Okay, Junior. Am I going first or y'all? I'm gonna try this one. I'm gonna try pink, because pink, baby, you know, it's probably in favor for me. It don't smell spicy. Don't you stuff usually smell spicy? I feel like I'm being super dramatic. I really do. Okay, you have to take the tapa off of the thing. Okay. Okay, hold on. Ooh. This stinks. This don't even smell good. Is that right? Maybe this one has a, you gotta, Well, this one doesn't, the tapa doesn't even come off. Does this one automatically like come out? Come on, dude. So, no. Oh, you gotta put your finger on this one. Oh my god.
Make it off your finger.
Hmm?
Make it off your finger.
Ew, this stinks. Huele a pushy. You know what pushy is?
No.
Like, pushy. I don't know. Huele a pushy. Okay. Okay. Which one y'all going for first?
You
No.
go.
I'm just gonna do this. I'm just gonna go in. Just gonna go ham. Ready? Oh. I'm gonna put the smallest dot I can do.
Okay.
Okay? And then after that. Okay, let's see. Okay, ready? Y'all see that? I ended up putting a lot, bro. Ready?
What?
See, it ain't.
Is it hot?
It didn't.
Oh.
It didn't. Oh my god. It didn't start out hot. It didn't start hot. And now it's just building.
Is it that hot?
I don't need chile. Okay.
Grab it here.
Which one are y'all doing?
I don't have any more chicken fingers.
I do. Here.
I have. I think Junior's gonna say it's not hot.
No, you're just gonna think it's hot.
No, I'm a different breed. It's not gonna be hot.
You're the same breed I am. I made you.
That's what that is.
Oh, well, then try this one.
Oh my god, you put a lot. I miss you. Is it hot?
You know, it's actually pretty good.
Oh my god, it's hot for you.
No, it's not.
No? Oh, come on.
He's holding it.
It's not hot.
Why am
Like-
I like... Okay, okay, cool. Alright, I got you. I got you. So now I'm gonna do this one. This one. Do y'all still have tenders?
Yeah.
Put the Tums right there.
Oh, shoots. Oh, shoots!
I put the Tums right there. Bro.
I put too much. Oh, God. It went inside the crust. Ready?
Okay, sweet. And the first bite? It's like sweet.
Hold on.
I like it. I like it.
Try this one. I can do with this one better. I know I sound like I'm being dramatic. I don't do chile. I don't need chile. I don't like salsa. And that salsa I be putting on my tacos, it just has the flavor. There is no chile.
This one's dark.
You gonna give me more water? Oh god. Oh, thank you, Junior. He brought me milk.
Did he really?
Yeah. Okay, eat it. Oh god. Thank you, baby. And I got my Tums to Tums.
Oh, it'd be so good if you
Are you serious? Which one did you eat?
Just I ate the hot one just now.
Okay, so I drank some of the milk and it kind of died down a little bit. I think this is more doable for me until I can graduate to this one. And then I'll go to the academy and do this one. Did you get more? Did you dip it in there?
I put it on here.
Okay, guys. I think for me, the winner is this one. Just because, like, I'm a baby. I need to graduate.
It tastes like ramen. Like,
It does. Oh, hail to the no. I put too much. Ready? The one thing that's good about it is the heat dies down, you know?
yeah.
But when you buy something with it, like my whole mouth is burning, my lips. Oh my god. And that was the water. Let me do some milk. You know what this means, right?
What?
Tonight I'm not gonna be able to sleep. I'm gonna heartburn. Oh god. Oh god. You wanna try this one?
No.
Why? You didn't think that was even hot, dude?
I think they're spicy.
Which one's spicier? For you, so like out of these two, which one's the spiciest?
I don't know.
This one or this one?
Well, the black one's darker, but I don't know which one I think. Because my mouth was already spicy when I. took it out of the bag.
Huh?
It was already spicy in my mouth before I took the other bite.
I'm gonna try to keep going.
Oh my god.
What? I can feel this eyes like, you know how you can feel your eye twitching? Ah! Oh my god. It rolled all the way down. Ah. Mm. I really don't know why the Lord made jalapenos.
I like it. I think it's pretty good.
Like, I don't even want to eat no more.
I don't know about it on chicken though.
It says for chicken. No. Hot chicken flavor. You know what? I'm honestly doing a lot better than I thought I was gonna do. Oh god. I'm not ready for the whole that devil chip, or have you heard of that?
Yeah.
Or the devil's
gonna do
toe?
that?
Hell no! Oh god. Oh gosh. Hey, I ate quite a bit of it.
I know.
Oh god, like this is crazy. This is like burning. It feels numb. But I want to add some more.
Maybe don't do that.
Huh? I feel like I'm not gonna be able to sleep. I still have some that's on here, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. I don't feel like I'm gonna sleep tonight. I really don't. What I do like about it is that the enchilada, like, it dies down kind of fast. I put way less on the first bite that I had. Let me have some milk. Oh God.
So nice.
I don't think that's gonna help. Everyone else that does it, like, just, you know, just goes in. And then, because this corn is still kind of hot, it makes it more spicy in my mouth. Oh, man. Oh, my gosh. I'm going to get to where I can start eating chile. Oh, my God. I want to be Mexican. I still stand by what I say. It smells like Gucci. It really does. Oh God. Oh, you know what? This would be good on like ceviche, camarones, oysters. Oysters? No?
I don't know. I don't know what any of those things are.
Camarones and shrimp.
Oh.
Ceviche is like that fish that has like pico de gallo kind of. And then
I've never had oysters.
oysters is really good. You wouldn't eat it, remember when we would go in to
Yeah.
Mm. Mm. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. I love my cup. If you live in the DFW area, she can probably sell it. She can make one for you. But if you live out of town, I don't think she melts these. I think she's just for like local. Oh my God. This corn is good and it's making the chile go away. Mm. Mm. Oh my God. Okay, guys. I'm done. Ooh, that was good. Now I feel better. Like the flavor, the chile, the enchilado, enchiloso, whatever you want to call it. I'm surviving. I'm living right now, so I survived. How did you think I did, Gabby?
I think you did pretty good.
How did you think I was gonna do? Really? Why did you think I was gonna do awful?
You have food on your face.
Where?
Your cheek. The other side.
Why did you think I was gonna do awful?
Because you don't like chili.
I don't play with chili. I don't play. Oh God. Man. Hopefully I plugged in my microphone right, because otherwise this is gonna suck. I'm still gonna upload it, but You just won't be able to understand anything I say, but maybe you could read lips. Oh my gosh, guys, that was so spicy. Oh, I didn't know this was made in Korea. Did you know that?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that. It has directions. I didn't even follow it.
What are the directions?
Let's see. Directions. Just add the, whatever they call this sauce. Bulldog? Bulldog? Dak? It says you can use it on bread, burgers, burritos, chicken, dips, dumplings. Oh, have you ever had dumplings?
Yeah.
I think Chloe likes dumplings. Egg rolls, fries, hot dogs. I don't know that I did this on a hot dog. Hot pocket. No, hot pot. I thought I said hot pocket. I thought I said hot pocket. I don't have my glasses. Meats, nachos, noodles, nuggets. Ooh, nuggets, dude. Pasta, pho, pizza, rice. I don't know that word. Shrimp.
Well, it would be good in rice.
Sutters, soups, spring rolls, steaks, stew, stir fry, tacos. I don't know that this would be. I don't think I would eat this in a taco. Because you know how much I love my tacos. And then maybe a killer taco, because those are already.
Yeah.
I don't know. But you know, like, I don't mess with my tacos. So I'm not going to allow something to ruin my tacos. Did I already say that like twice about my tacos? I feel like I have such a mess. Thank you guys for joining. I'm so sorry. In the beginning, I did not say, if you were new to my channel, thank you so much for subscribing. And this is new for you like it's new for me. I have never had this sauce. I do recommend it. It's like a unique flavor. Like, what did you think about the flavor?
It just tasted like ramen flavor. Like,
It was like because it doesn't taste bad, but it does taste bad.
it tastes like the chicken.
Like, if I feel like it didn't match the chicken, even though it says chicken flavor.
You know chicken bouillon seasoning?
Yeah.
It tastes like that.
Okay. I mean, it was good. But I think maybe next I'll try it on some noodles. You want to try with noodles?
Yeah.
Maybe the next mukbang I'll do it with some noodles. I'm gonna try this, but thank you so much for joining me for my first time. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe so I get to see you tomorrow so we can conversate. Don't forget to comment down below. If you've been here before, thank you so much for coming back. Yeah, I really enjoyed it. It was different. It was like out of my comfort zone. Like, I was so scared, and now I'm like, there was no reason to be scared. There was no reason to be scared, and it didn't help that my sister was like, dude, it's spicy. So I guess it got me just amped up, but I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna eat my Tums because I feel like, you know, I'm like too. Because I already know my stomach's gonna burn. And mommy, I was like, oh no. Oh, mommy. I know. I know. This is a lot. I mean, it's hot in here because of the lights and stuff, but like, it was like extra hot because of the spiciness, I think. I don't know. But I love you guys. I hope I get to see you tomorrow. And don't forget to share this with your friends. And yeah, I don't know how many times I'm gonna end it like that, but yeah. You know what we didn't try? This one.
The extreme one?
Yeah.
It's okay, we'll try it next time.
I don't feel like I am. Cause she's holding a bomba. Does that make sense? Like, this one doesn't even have fire coming out of the mouth, right? At all. This one has like a little bit of fire coming out of the mouth, and this one has fire and a bomba. So I don't know what we're gonna do about that.
What?
Bomba. Like a bomb.
Oh.
Come on. No, you don't know what bomba is? You don't know what pushy is? Come on.
Those aren't even words, I feel like.
How are they not words? How am I using them if they're not words? When you were little and I changed your pamper and I'd go, ooh, pushy.
So it just means something stinks. So it's like it's not a word.
It's a word. It's a word. It's a word. I can't even see your face, you know that, right? Okay, guys. Until tomorrow, have a blessed day, and I can't wait to see you. Bye. Bushy.